Today, we're gonna be doing something a little different. For the most part, I've received a lot of questions pertaining to this topic, the topic being beard oils. As of late, I've been using the Beard Struggle, but as we all know, there are thousands upon thousands of other beard product companies out there. With that being said, we're gonna start doing reviews. And today we're going to feature our first company, or I guess our first company in a while, because I don't even remember the last time that I did a review, if ever. Well, I've done other, never mind. Today we're going to be featuring one company, that company being Grow a Beard. And how we're going to do this, it's pretty much going to be like an unboxing. We're all going to open the boxes together and just peer inside the box and see what we have. Now, when I received this product in particular from Grow a Beard, it came in a yellow envelope. So this is what was inside of the envelope. So we're going to go ahead and open this now. Let's see here. Hopefully I improve on opening the boxes because this is taking forever right now. It's actually a nice and tidy presentation. Here's how it is. I'm going to go ahead and take the contents out. Right here we have a little card for inquiries, contact us. So it has their contact information, and it also has instructions on how to use the beard kit. There's a video and it shows where to go in order to access the video for the instructions pertaining to this beard kit. All right, in this box we have this is a pretty nice beard brush. So we have a beard brush right here. In addition to the beard brush, we have a beard comb. So here is the comb. All right, so there's the beard comb. And we have a cool little bag that goes with this. So we have that. And man, they put a lot of stuff in this box right here. We have trimmers right here for your mustache or beard. So there's that. And we have the beard oil. We'll be getting to this, along with beard balm. And we have here, let me toss this down. We have the Revo beard tool. So here, I'll take this out right now. So I've seen these before, not this exact one, but you just go ahead, you put it on your face, and you trim your beard. I've never used one of these, but being that I have one now, I'll be giving this a try in the future. And let's see here. So now, what we all really want to hear about: the oil and the beard balm. All right, so I took the beard oil out of the wrapper, and let's see here. So the beard oil, professional beard oil, all natural and organic. Now, as far as the scent, it's almost as if there isn't a scent to this. Let me see here. Let me see here. What I'm doing right now is I'm putting a couple drops in the palm of my hand. I'm going to rub it around, and I'm going to see if I can smell something. No, there isn't any scent. So this is purely for moisturizing and protecting your beard. And this is actually, no scent can actually be a benefit to this beard oil in particular. That way it doesn't clash with, let's say, a cologne or a perfume. So yeah, so their beard oil has no scent to it. Let's go ahead and rub this around in the beard. Now I know you're really supposed to give it a good rub into your beard, touching your skin, because that's what's most important. So as we go on with this video, I'll see how it feels, I'll see how it smells. But yeah, as far as the texture of the oil, it seems It seems like it's a quality oil, if that makes any sense. Not too watery. You can definitely tell there's substance to it. So that's the oil. Now, getting into their balm. Grow a Beard, their balm. Okay, so with the beard balm does have a little scent to it, which it's not overwhelming. It's definitely a fresh, it's a fresh scent. Very subtle. And I'm trying to, as far as judging from the back of this, it's probably the butter and a little bit of that sweet almond oil mixed with the apricot. It's like a slightly nutty aroma, if that makes any sense. Now with the balm, I like using the balm on my mustache because it gives it a little more structure because the ends tend to kind of fray. So it feels good. It doesn't feel heavy, which is nice. It's rather light. And again, very subtle in regard to the scent. It's a fresh, nutty scent, whereas the oil that we tried out, there's no scent whatsoever to this beard oil, which can be a good thing. Now going back into the other products that were in the box, we have the carrier bag, which I mean, it's quite handy. You can throw your scissors in, and these scissors, quality-wise, are really good. I'm quite impressed with the quality of these. So you have your scissors, you have your comb. It's a two-sided comb, so you have a really coarse side and you have a thicker side depending on what stage your beard and mustache are in. So there's that. We have the beard brush, and I'm quite sure, actually no, I'm not sure exactly what the bristles are made of, but again, it seems to be high quality as well. Let's see, get it at Grow Beards. So this is a free ebook in how to use the beard kit video, and it has the directions on where to go for this. Now, if you're one of those people that's looking for a beard oil that doesn't have a scent to it, I highly recommend this. Well, these are my initial reactions, my initial feedback right now. We'll see after a week of using this what my conclusion is, but as for now, I do recommend this. All right, so I guess that concludes today's review. And I mean, this is purely a test. These will run a lot smoother the more of these that we do. So if you do have any beard product companies that you would like to see a review on, go ahead and leave that in the comment box below. Also, feel free to visit me over at Instagram. My Instagram name is @DansBeard. And yeah, as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.